Swordis.com sent me a custom katana. Here's how this thing stands out from something generic. I wanted a blade that was light and nimble and good for close quarters, so I made it about an inch shorter than a traditional katana. I also chose this very acute blade profile instead of the traditional one, so this thing is going to cut incredibly well because it's slowly moving the material out of the way compared to this one. That, along with the weight, means that it's balanced about 3 inches from the hilt, compared to a traditional blade balanced about 5. And even though all of that only amounts to about a couple ounces less, this thing feels incredibly nimble. It feels really good in the hands. It's even better suited to one-handed use than a traditional katana. Now, those aren't all good things. That blade profile is, again, incredible for cutting, but it means that there's less metal supporting this entire thing, so this is going to be more fragile than a traditional blade. However, the way that I decided to counter that was to have them make this from T10 tool steel, which is going to be incredibly robust. Now, Swordis.com did send me this for free, but it would have only cost about $262, and there were a ridiculous number of options. Like, I've worked with other custom sword building places before. Swordis.com has more options. Those places didn't have this type of blade profile. They didn't have this type of steel. They didn't have customized length. But overall, I'm a big fan and I'm very impressed, and this is going to be my go-to sword. I designed it for close quarters combat. Imagining things.